Yes. Good evening, all. So myself, I'm Vijay. Like I hold 20 plus years of experience in different technologies. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible or not? Yes. Can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, whether the screen is visible, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
visible.
fine. Yeah, fine. Thank you. I got enough confirmations, right? Yeah. One second. So yeah, so full stack data science, we'll be discussing about this machine learning techniques, deep learning in brief about this deep learning techniques, artificial intelligence, right? Which like generative AI, agentic AI, right? In brief, in depth about this. So it's a total 5 months course. Just I'll be briefing you what I'll be discussing as part of this course. So in today's world, technology is growing faster. Technology is growing faster than ever before, right? Two of the most exciting and powerful fields which are leading to this change, like data science and AI. These areas, they're helping people in solving problems, taking smarter decisions, improving the daily lives. So if I talk here, everything deals with the data here. Data. So for data science, everything deals with the data. Total world is flooded with user data. So data has got experience, data has got future reference. Using data or this data science, we perform like data analysis, data predictions, data classifications, data clustering, recommendations. So yeah, if I talk data science combines data science combines maths, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, AI, machine learning. One second. Okay. So here, math, statistics, programming, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So for extracting insights hidden in organizations data. So here, in a shorter version, right? Yes. Data science is the art of turning data into actions. Turning data into actions. Data science, if I say data science, focus on value, not the volume. Shorter version, data science is the art of turning the data into actions. Excuse me. Data science focus on value, not the volume. So here, data science is extremely important in the real current world, right? Because it helps individuals, businesses, governments in taking decisions. It involves statistics, as I said, programming, advanced analytics. So it is a study of data. Data science is all about study of data. It helps us in collecting, organizing, and understanding the information. For example, the companies use data science to find out what the customers are interested in, what the customers like to buy. And the doctors, they used to detect the diseases in the earlier stages, and the scientists, they use in different ways, like and even in studying the climate changes. In so all this, like turning the raw data into useful insights. Data science helps people in taking better and faster decisions. Yeah. So if I talk this AI, artificial intelligence, right? Artificial intelligence machines, when machines are designed to think just like humans, they learn like humans, think like humans. It is used in many places currently, if you see, right? Yes. AI can help in educating and creating smart learning tools. Even like together, data science and AI, they're shaping the future. Even they're making the lives easier, improving the businesses, healthcare. Yes. So here, Data science, it has been emerged from statistics and data mining. It is data science. It's all about how we use tools, techniques, and creativity to uncover insights hidden within the data. So this data science combines, as I said, it's maths, computer science, and the domain expertise. So in tackling these real world challenges in a variety of fields. So if I talk data science, they process the raw data and solve the business problems, even make some kind of predictions about the future trends and the requirements. For example, if you've got a huge raw data, if you've got some huge raw data of a company, so data science can help you answering many questions if you've got some huge raw data. So what do the customer want? What the customers are interested and what their preferences are, how we can improve the services, and what are the upcoming trends in the sales, and how much a stock required for a particular event. So in this way, it can answer different questions. So today, if we see in various fields, we see this data science in business decision making. In business decision making, companies collect large amount of data from the sales, customer feedbacks, and market trends, and data science help them to analyze this data, make a smarter business decisions in taking some decisions, smarter decisions in increasing the price and maintaining some market strategies. So Amazon, they use data science to recommend products to the users based on this their purchase history, based on their browsing history, right? Yes, based on the purchase history and based on their browser history. All right. So even in the healthcare, even in the healthcare and medicine, healthcare and medicine, data science helps these doctors, researchers in predicting the diseases in the earlier stages, and can have personalized treatments and improve the patient outcomes. Predictive analytics can detect the earlier signs of diseases like cancer, diabetes, even like finance and banking. Even if it's the financial institutions, they use data science in managing risk, detecting fraud, and personalize customer services. These credit card companies, even like credit card companies like Visa, they use machine learning to identify the fraudulent transactions. And even in media and entertainment. To talk like Netflix, Spotify, all these, they use some kind of machine like recommendation algorithms to suggest movies, shows, songs based on the user data, user preferences, right? Even if you talk YouTube also, they use data science to optimize video recommendations and ad placements. Weather forecasting and climate research. The meteorologists, right, they use data science to predict the weather patterns and analyzing the climate, even in the government and public policies. Public policies. So here, government they use data to improve public services, security, infrastructure, smart cities initiatives, sensors and cameras to magnify the traffic. So public health departments they use data science in tracking the different things, right? Yes. And also if we talk in e-commerce, e-commerce and so online platforms, if you talk online platforms, they rely on data to enhance user experience and increasing the sales. Flipkart, eBay, all this they use customer data for marketing and pricing strategies. Yes. Data science has become the backbone to the modern industries, improving these businesses, the business operations, making their data science turning the raw data into actionable insights. They are turning the raw data into insights that drive innovation, efficiency, right? In a simple way, for example, if data is like oil, if data is like oil and data science is like refined oil. Yes. Yeah. So just some small overview on this AI, generative AI, agentic AI, right? So artificial. So here I can say developing systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. Just 1 second. Yeah, sorry. Artificial intelligence, developing systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, learning, problem solving, and decision making. Okay, for example, if I talk generative AI, it is a subset. Generative AI. It creates a new content. It's going to create a new content, like it can be a text, code, music, images. By learning a patterns from the data. From the data. Creates new content like text, code, music, images by learning patterns from the data. We talk like agentic AI or AI agents, agentic AI or AI agents, they focuses on making decisions and executing multi-steps actions to achieve the goals. To achieve the goals. So focuses on making decisions and executing multi-step actions to achieve the goals. In simple way, generative AI is about the creation. Agentic AI is about actions and decision making. Is about the actions, decision making. So here, just if what is the course content I'll be discussing, the course overview, I'll be just providing the course overview, what I'll be discussing. Introduction to, yes. Introduction to Python. So data analysis, data manipulations using pandas, numpy. So here we'll be discussing about numpy arrays, different two-dimensional, three-dimensional numpy arrays, and we also discuss like pandas data frames. Pandas data frames from how to create data frames, working with data frames, creating data frames from different objects, indexing, slicing, groupings, aggregations, mergings, concatenating, right? Different manipulations. Data visualization using matplotlib. Data visualization using matplotlib. Statistics for data science. See, statistics for data science, right? So statistics helps data scientists understand data variability, testing the hypothesis, and summarizing the complex data sets. Descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, dispersion measures, sampling techniques. Machine learning. Machine learning techniques. ML techniques and their implementation. Deep learning. Deep learning techniques. ANN, artificial neural networks, convolution neural network, natural language processing, natural language processing, time series, MLOps, MLOps set, okay, machine learning operation set of practices that combines machine learning, that's development of operations, right, to automate and streamline the entire ML life cycle, and even big data analytics, PySpark, text mining, text mining. So here, natural language processing, text mining. Here, it allows computers to understand, interpret, generate this human kind of language, bridging the gap between these people and technology, right? So here, TensorFlow. It is a free open source software. It is a free open source software library for machine learning and deep learning developed by Google, right? It provides some set of tools, APIs, libraries to help developers build, train, deploy machine learning models efficiently. And even in deep on this deep learning techniques, right? Like Boltzmann machine. It's a type of neural network that uses approach some kind of probabilistic approach to model data distributions. Autoencoder. It's a type of unsupervised deep learning, right, for compressing data into lower dimensions and again reconstructing it back to its original form. GAN, generative adversarial network, right? It's a deep learning a network. It's a powerful model architecture, right? RNN, RNNGRU, recurrent neural network. It's a type of neural network specially designed to process some kind of sequential data. So gated GRU, gated recurrent unit. LSTM, long short-term memory. Long short-term memory. It's a specialized type of recurrent neural network, RNN, used in deep learning to process data by selectively remembering or forgetting the information over this longer periods, right? OpenCV, open source computer vision library. It plays an important role in deep learning within the domain of computer vision, serves as a powerful toolkit for handling especially image and video data. And generative AI. So creates new content, as I said, text, images, codes by learning patterns from the data. Right. Prompt engineering. Prompt engineering, right? So designs and optimizing prompts for AI models, especially LLMs, large language models, to accurate, relevant desired outputs. Advanced prompt techniques. LLM APIs, large language model. So they are advanced artificial intelligence systems used that use deep learning to understand and generate human-like text by being trained on massive data sets. So for example, they excel tasks like translation, summarizations, content creations, answering questions, right? Yes. RAG systems. Retrieval Augmented Generation Systems, AI framework that enhance large language models. Vector databases. Vector databases and embeddings. A vector database stores unstructured data like text, images, audios, high dimensional representations called vector embeddings. LLM ops. Large language model operations, specialized set of practices and tools designed to manage the entire life cycle of LLMs. Agentic AI, designed to make decisions and taking actions. Fee data, open source framework and for developing and deploying autonomous AI agents. Advanced topics in AI like transformers. If you can just check with this course content once. Starting with data science introduction. Why data scientists are in demand, the growing need for data science skills, use cases, categorizing types of data, data formats, quantity, data quantity, quality, Python for data science, NumPy for data analysis, Pandas and Matplotlib for visualizations, statistical methods for data science, machine learning, yes, time series analysis and forecasting, MLOps, big data, PySpark, NLP and text mining, extracting, cleaning and processing text, stemming, lemmatizations, deep learning, TensorFlow, convolution, CNN, convolution neural network, Boltzmann machine and autoencoder, generative adversarial network, emission and gender detection, introduction to RNN and GRU, LSTM, long short-term memory, OpenCV, generative AI. So from module number 20 onwards to module 40, generative AI and agentic AI, prompt engineering, advanced prompt techniques, working with LLM APIs, building LLM apps with long chain, developing RAG systems, vector databases and embeddings, building end-to-end GenAI applications, evaluating these GenAI applications and enterprise use cases. Multimodal LLMs, LLM ops evaluation. Now, from module number 31 to module number 40, we'll be discussing on agentic AI, its architecture and design patterns, working with a long chain, okay, building AI agents with long graph, implementing agentic rack, developing AI agents with fee data, multi-agent systems with long graph crew AI, advanced agent development with autogen, AI agent observability and agent ops, building AI agents with no low code tools, right? So this is what 40 modules in brief will be discussing. You can see in brief, most my major discussion, major time will be spent on this AI. Around 3 months explicitly I'll be spending on this generative AI and agentic AI development. And full stack data science, which includes machine learning in depth of this deep learning techniques which used for AI. Okay. And apart from this, offerings from my side. So you'll be getting each and every live session video. Each and every session is video recorded. Session. Each and even if you miss any session, you will get that a video of it. You can go through that and just attend the next session for the better understanding. And it's a clear soft copy of notes and assignments, tasks to work, right? And to have direct interaction with me, a WhatsApp group it's created by me where the students can interact, and if you got any errors you can take snap of it and post in that. Anybody can be answering it, right? And interview questions, mostly asked interview questions, around 200 questions. Live interactive, so you'll be kept in unmuted status. At any point you can ask your queries hands on. Even you can do the task along with me parallelly. Sessions. Plus, apart from this, okay, anyhow, I'll be discussing Python, the Python syntaxes, pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Still, if you want to go deeper into this, so DurgaSoft is offering you with Python videos. Lot of many Python videos you'll be getting. Apart from that, even if it doesn't have knowledge on SQL, MySQL videos, and around Python videos, around 100 videos on Python, MySQL around 35 videos on this MySQL, and even on this Linux, around 100. All this of Mr. Durga, right? This Python videos, Linux videos will be of Mr. Durga. Yes. So these are the offerings from my side. You will be getting each and every session videos, clear soft copy of the notes, assignments and tasks, WhatsApp interview questions, live interactive hands-on sessions, right? Yes. Yeah. So let me, duration will be 5 months on around 2 months on this data science, around 3 months will be spending on this generative AI. Yes. One second. Uh, so yes, Asfakur Rahman, right? Yes. Two projects, 2 to 3 projects I'll be discussing as part of this course. And timings, let me make it clear about the timings of this batch. Initially, for the first 2 weeks, making it clear about the timings of this batch. First 2 weeks, it will be at 10 p.m. Later, it will be starting at 9 p.m. Okay. So yes, as the syllabus is huge, we'll be discussing in brief the advanced topics in this AI, generative and agentic AI. Initially, for the first 1 month, it will be for 1 hour. Later, after 1 hour, after 1 month, later after 1 month, it will be 9 p.m. to around 10:30. It will be 1.5 hour. That the duration will be increased to 1.5 hour, 9 to 10:30. Okay, sessions will be from Monday to Friday. So sessions will be from Monday to Saturday. It will be from Monday to Saturday, or not all the Saturdays. Some Saturdays I'll be taking. Video access duration, right? Prajwal Shetty, right? Video access for how many months these videos will be available means for especially for this data science batches, for especially my batches, right? It will be, see, for all the other batches in this DurgaSoft, it will be for 6 months, but here it will be available for around 9 to 10 months. The videos will be available for around 9 to 10 months, right? Within that 9 to 10 months, you can explore the things, can by attending the sessions, and you will be getting full command on this. A typical 4+ years experience person, how much knowledge, that much of knowledge you'll be getting it, right? Even advanced topics, even if you are just if you keep those topics in your resume, it adds more weightage to your resume. And that too, especially in generative AI and agentic AI, right? And if you compare with other training sites also, you can check the syllabus with other training sites also. Our syllabus will be deeper. You can see in brief, we'll be spending more time, right? So yes. Okay, fine. See, in if you talk about other training sites, other trainers, right? They say 3 months. Within these 3 months, again they will discuss Python, again statistics, NumPy, Panda, statistics, machine learning, deep learning, all this. Once come to the AI, they'll be spending around 1 month. But here explicitly, we'll be spending 3 months on this generative AI and agentic AI. You can see that course module number 22, module number 40 explicitly. Apart from that, all that machine learning, deep learning, statistics, Python, all that initially 2 months we'll be discussing the prerequisites for that. Later in 3 months brief we'll be discussing. Yes, implementation. See, Prajwal Shetty, right? Projects, 2 projects I'll be discussing, right? Be covered, implemented, right, during this course. Yes, you even showcase those in your resumes. How many? Okay, yes, Nagendra Reddy, right? Power BI is not part of this. No. Yes, yes, Pushkaraj Naik, right? Yes. See, you can get through this. It means with this 5 months, if you are spending time daily, if you're attending, you will get great command on this. You can get through the interview process. Whenever asked, only thing is you need to do the practical parts, attending the sessions, interacting in the sessions, doing the practicals, getting command. You should be very much serious. It's not like I'll make you understand all the things, some starting from the basic ground level to the advanced level. Yes. Yeah. Tomorrow also everyone can attend the session, same timing at 10 p.m. using the same link to see more discussion. We'll be continuing from where we have stopped. So, and if I talk, data science has got increased demand of data science, right? There are strong opportunities today, right now, in the field of data science and AI. Yes, if you've got the right skills, definitely you can get through the process of this. So, and what the many roles, I'll talk about those. And the job market, if you see in the next 1 year, right, this is the right time for you to enter into this field. In the next 1 year, you will see around 12 million job openings in data science and AI by 2026. In India, the demand for this AI and ML, it has increased. The roles got increased by 40%. If you see in the survey, right? Overall IT, even though the overall IT hiring has slowed down, but still this data science and AI and data engineering jobs has got a great demand today. Data engineering increased by 28%, where data science increased by 39%, right? If you see the job roles currently, if you see that. But even though if we got that hiring has slowed, but still these technologies has got great demand, lot of calls for this. And only thing is you need to have good command on this. And even if you talk, I said it is the one of the most it is the promising and high in demand career path, data science. Even if you see you are working as a data scientist, so and even if you see the salary package also, according to the pay scales also, data scientists have got the highest salary packages. So this doing this course, data science course, will never let you down, right? So it's emerging, and total world is moving towards this AI, right, today. So even this many companies, if you talk, Facebook, Intel, Microsoft, Amazon, they're interesting in hiring data scientists and AI engineers with great salary packages. Even they're offering high paying jobs to this data scientist. Even if you talk about the career opportunities also, once you do the course, this 5 months course where data science, full stack data science and AI, there are many roles, right? Like you can go as a data scientist, the machine learning engineer, AI engineer, Gen AI engineer. And even if you add some more few things, if you add, you can also go as a data analyst. Like if you add some kind of Excel and a Power BI, if you add, right, you can go as a data analyst to this existing things. Yeah. Mm, fine. So definitely, yes. Even like a, so generally data scientists analyzing large data sets, developing this machine learning models, interpreting the results, providing insights to the business decisions. Yes. Even data analyst also requires this knowledge, but still you need to have some kind of Excel and Power BI knowledge to become that. ML engineer also, like building this machine learning models, scaling, optimizing this, integrating them into the production systems. Even I am discussing about the data even a typical data scientist should have knowledge on this data engineering. Even I'm covering the data engineering like big data like PySpark. I'm discussing very high speed processing execution model for processing huge data at quick time, right? I'm discussing that, building pipelines to collect, transform, store this data, right? Yes. Okay. Any other queries you got, anyone? Right. Yes. So this is one of the promising and high in career path, right? So this is the right time for the people to just enter into this field as of now. But still, if you go back next, if you go to the next 6 months or 1 year, you can see. So the competition increases, I'm saying. So now, even if we see our course content in Gen AI and Agentic AI, advanced concepts, lot of advanced concepts I'm discussing, right? So that's why we are spending around 5 months for this. Okay. So this is the timings. I'm making it clear about the timings before you go with the payment process. I'm making all the things clear. And even if you can see a big message is given by this online team, you can see a big message in the given by this online team. The course content details are provided. Their contact details, 4 contact details they are provided. Payment details they are provided. Some uh, Google Pay, Phone Pay details they have provided, right? Yes. Okay. Tomorrow also you can attend the session to see more discussion on this. From day after tomorrow, we'll be starting with the actual things. Okay. Is there any batch starting for 10 p.m.? See, that's Srikanth, right? Actually, 10 p.m. if you're starting a batch, right? 10 to 11 with
Yes.
1 hour, 1 hour will be too less actually. 10 to 11:30 at least 1.5. If I go to 9, right? 9 to 10:30 or 10:40, I can just spend time, right? In the if you go to machine learning, deep learning techniques, we'll have a lot of discussions there. 1 hour will be just like a daily serial. We cannot complete. That's the reason 9 to 10:30 or 10:40 it goes the coming days. But 10 to 11, if I go to 11:30 or 11:40, around 12, it will be too late for the students, right? So that's why it's fine.
If
Uh,
it possible, then 10 p.m. to 11:30 p.m.
no,
these
no,
days.
no, 10 to 11:30, 11:40 will be too late for the students, right? Especially for the girl students. Okay. Um, that's why this is the time I'm making the things clear, right? That's the reason. After paying that again, saying the 9 p.m., the same timing will be up to the end of this course, right? Initially for 2 weeks
Okay.
it will be at 10 p.m. it will be starting. Later after that it will be at 9 p.m. it will be there, right? Fine. So yes. So if I'm done with the queries, if there are no other queries, I'm signing off for now. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you tomorrow, same time, same link. Thank you. Bye. Good night.
Thank
Okay.
you.